15 years ago, how we started out was actually to arrange typical language trips, so-called mini stays for school. And that's where, within Europe, it's part of the curriculum where you go for 1 week or for 2 weeks. The group goes, let's say, to London, they have a week there and they learn some English. And that's where we started out almost 20 years ago. And now there's this really, really great funding out there to supplement costs for a trip such as this. So instead of doing a classical language trip, a school could now, with accessing Erasmus funding or accessing touring funding, they can ask for funding to go one of those trips where you have to adjust the program to fit the funding criteria, and then you actually get probably about 3/4 of the costs funded, which is a very big thing. Given that we work with schools in 27 countries, one of the criteria of this typical funding is that you need another school that you cooperate with. So because we work with so many schools in all these countries, we are a really good partner to match up schools that fit together. The profiles should be similar, and yeah, we can do that really easily. So that's another additional thing that we can facilitate really easily to a school to access as much funding as possible to go on these really amazing trips.